Dear students, today we are going to revise lesson 7 to 10. 11th and 12th lesson no need to cover because the test portion is from 1 to 10. Multiple choice question. First one, which of the following is the standard output stream in C++? For this, answer is B option, C out. Second one, which of the following is not a punctuator in C++? For this answer, C copyright symbol I. Third one, what type of language is Python? Just leave this. Fourth one, which of the following attribute of table tag is used to give more space in a cell? For that answer, A option, cell padding. Fifth one, which protocol converts analog voice signal into digital data on the internet during communication? The option, answer B, VoIP. Sixth one, the forever block is used. Answer A option, to perform task repeatedly. Seventh one, the hash in the hash include iostream.h stands for C option, answer preprocessor directive. Eighth one, which of the following is not a keyword in C++? For that answer, C option, when. Ninth question, which of the following protocols is used by Skype? The answer is C option, VoIP. 10th one, Skype was first released on August. Answer C option, 2003. Fill in the blanks. In Scratch, if on edge bounce is available as point of, answer is motion block. Next one, a dash refers to a name of data storage location in the computer memory. Answer variable. Third, dash key is used to execute the program in Python. Just you leave this. This is extra portion. Next, fourth one word also just leave that. Next, fifth one, the dash statement in C++ can be nested. The answer is for, for. Sixth one, the height attribute of dash or TD tag is represented in pixels. For this answer, TR tag. Seventh one, dash are the pieces of code that are ignored or discarded by the compiler. The answer is comments. Eighth one, a dash statement is used to a value to be tested against a list of values. The answer is switch. Ninth one, a dash is an object that performs various functions in Scratch project. The answer is sprite. 10th one, dash is an internet telephony service provider that offers free calling between computers. The answer is Skype. Next, true or false, video communication is not possible on the internet using VoIP protocol. The answer is false. Second, Google was founded in the year 1991. Answer false. The goal of cloud computing. This lesson omitted portion. So leave that. Next, fourth, by default a table created using table tag appears with a thin border. The answer for this is false. Functions allow reusability of code. Answer true. Sixth, conditional expressions are used to make decision in the program. Answer true. Google Drive is available free of cost. True. Eighth one, the break statement of C++ will completely exit the program. The answer is true. Ninth one, the imag tag will insert image in an HTML page. False. Imag given, so this false. Next, 10th one, cloud services. This is omitted portion. Now you see, answer the following. Totally 14 questions are there. Omitted questions is also there. Just you leave that and the remaining answers here. You see the screen. The one word answers also once again given here. By seeing this also you can verify your answers. Now we pass on to answer the following. First question. What attribute of which tag will you see to merge two cells placed one on top of the other? The answer is TD and row span. Next, second question. Compare the cell spacing and cell padding attributes. Cell padding is used to add more space inside each cell. It defines the space between the cell border and the cell content. Cell spacing is used to put more space around each cell. It defines the space between the cells. Next, third question. What are the different types of available clouds? This is from omitted portion. Next, fourth question. What is the use of the looks block of Scratch? Fourth answer, you see, looks block changes the appearance of the sprite and background of the stage. The user can attach speech, change the visuals of sprite, grow and shrink the size of the sprite. Fifth question, describe the VLN attribute of TR and TD tags. Answer, specifies the alignment of the cell contents vertically. Its value can be top, middle or bottom. And TR, VLN is equal to top, middle or bottom. Next, TD, VLN is equal to top, slash, middle or bottom. This is the way you have to give. Next, sixth question. State the advantage of cloud computing with respect to automatic software integration. This is also from omitted portion. Seventh question. Write the step to delete the sprite in Scratch. For that answer, you right click on it and select delete option to remove that. Eighth question. Explain the three types of errors in C++. Answer. First point, syntax error. It refers to formal rules governing the construction of valid statements. Second one, runtime error. It refers to the error that occurs during the execution of a program. Third one, logical error. It refers to an error that produces incorrect and undesirable output. Now, ninth question, draw the flowchart of switch case statement in C++. You see the diagram. Expression equal to value 1. If yes means execute value 1 statements, then break. If this condition is no means expression equal value 2. Equal yes means execute value 2 statement, then break. This condition also false means execute default action, then you break. After that, all the breaks will be connected with this continue the program. Next, 10th question, write the steps to sign out in Skype. To sign out the Skype account, follow the given steps. First point, click on more option. A drop down menu appears. Second point, click on the sign out option. The Skype window will be closed. Next, 12th question, write the HTML code to get the following output. Here 2 columns and 2 rows given. First column, Taj Mahal and Hawa Mahal given. Second column, Charminar and Red Fort given. The diagram you can see on the question. For this, you have to write this type of coding. Here you see HTML opening tag, head opening tag, title opening tag. There you are writing tables in HTML. Immediately you are closing the title tag. Head tag also closed. Next you are opening the body tag. There you are giving PG color pink. Then H1 you are giving centralized center. So you are giving historical monuments of India in the heading 1 tag, and table border you are aligning as 1 and alignment center. Then in the table row, border color you are giving red and PG color you are giving yellow, and height you are setting as 50 and alignment center and vertical alignment top. There you are giving the data TD Taj Mahal, then TD Charminar, then TD Qutub Minar. Only 2 columns and 2 rows given. So 12th question answer. HTML opening tag, head opening tag, title opening tag. You are writing table in HTML. Title tag closed, head tag closed, body color, body tag you are opening. There you are giving PG color, pink, and you are giving the heading Historical Monuments of India, heading 1, and you are giving center alignment. And after that you are creating the table with the border 1, alignment center. And table row you are giving border color red, BG color yellow, and height 50, alignment center, vertical alignment top you are giving, and there you are giving the data, table data TD, Taj Mahal, and Charminar. Qutub Minar, the third column, that is not given in the question paper. So you leave that. Next, you are closing the table row, first row over, and now you are seeing the second row, table row, the same border color pink, BG color cyan, height 100, alignment left, vertical alignment middle. Here you are giving the data, table data TD, Hawa Mahal, and Agra Fort, Red Fort. You are closing the table row, table also you are closing, and closing the body tag and closing the HTML tag. Okay. Next, 13th question, write the use of Scratch program. The answer is Scratch is a visual programming language available free of cost. It is used by students, scholars, teachers, and to create games and to provide a stepping stone to the more advanced world of computer programming. Next, 14th question. Explain the motion block in Scratch. The motion block moves the sprites and changes the angle of movements of sprite according to x-axis and y-axis. I think you are clear about the revision questions, lesson 7 to 10, and also in the previous class, lesson 1 to 6. Now we see the answers for the Olympiad multiple choice question. You do the Olympiad question by yourself in the book which is given in the last page of your book, and after that you verify your answer with this given screen answer. Okay, students, you all prepare well for the yearly examination. Okay, the revision questions will also help you to score more marks. So you all study lesson 1 to 10, all the one words and question answers with this revision questions also. Okay, thank you students.